So, well, guys, welcome. Another week. Um, difficult week. Another difficult week. What happened here? So, finally, we're in the 5,000. The 4,000s, it's done. The new era for the 5,000 is here. That happens the same to us with the 3,000, with the with 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. Now we are in 4,000. Here we will wait the retracement for open the trade. So yesterday we tried to open a long position near to 45, sorry, 50, 65. Unfortunately, deep retracement liquidate our positions, and then it completed targets. But well, was a candle for around 80, 75 pips. Not too much to do with that type of reactions. Okay, so let's be ready. Waiting the retracement. Let's see what happened. Let's expect something good, and expect something good. At least I'm going to wait the 50, 80. Open the loan. Let's see what happened. We got the resistance here, of course, into the 4010. This is the resistance on. Carolina, yo prefiero irme por las compras. Así que bueno, estoy esperando el retroceso nada más. Waiting the retracement, guys. Waiting the retracement. That's all. So let's see, guys. Let's be patient. Sell 41. Yeah, the thing is, I have checking the yesterday doing some back testing all the information here. Well, let me clarify here. We got, for example, this is the when the price break the when the price break the 4,000. Well, in 4,000 it stay there, go back to the 3950, and then it goes to the uh 443.81. This is an example what happened when the price, this is the day when the price break the 4,000, right? Some reactions, and then the price continue. But the same thing happened when gold break the 3,000. It break the sun, goes to the 2950, and then go to the 39, well, the 35, and then in 35 give us a reaction, a deep retracement, trying to control a little the price and everything. So that happens that two times with gold, right? This is the information what I share here into the Discord. So here it's the 5,000. It's not the. I think it's not difference. It's not difference. No difference. The price will not going to do um, a deep retracement, for example. For I was seeing people thinking in 48, or sorry, 46, 47. So by my side, I think it will continue. Yes, a lot of gaps. We got a lot of gaps here. Many gaps. Here's a gap. No one cares about that gap. And here's another massive gap. Here's a massive gap in 46. And the buyers don't care about that. It's a gap. That's all. You have a two massive gaps. Buyers don't care about that. Probably the 49.50, we will see a retracement there. 49.50, 49.80, because here's the gap. But now, I think at least for today, we will continue with the uptrend. Probably around Wednesday. Um, Probably Wednesday, we can take a positions for a sell positions, because that is the things what is happening. So well, that is the reason for we'll continue with the uptrends. Let's see today. Today is not an easy day. Again, I know many people don't like when I say when I said like it's not an easy day, but that's the reality. We are in 5,000. We're in 5,000 new all-time high. And well, No retracement, no retracement, exactly. So well, here was an interesting point here into this 5088, but this so height. So let's see. There is a position, there is a possible entry. So 5080. That's my point. 5074 is a good point too. It's the lowest prices here. That's beautiful. Let's see, let's see. Just we need a good retracement, good reaction into the sell zone for open that low. So well, the price is falling. Okay, so let's be ready. The thing is, one candle for around 60 pips in 1 minute. So, so let's see, guys. Okay, so 50.84. It's too high. Even it touched the point 50.84 and then go for nah. Yes, around 58, 50, 50.80, but not 50.84. When I say that, there is around 50.81, 50.82. But here touch the 50.84, that 50, and then increase 100 pips. So even if I share the position here, if I open the position in 50.84, that 50, 90% of the people can't take that position. So this is not the this streaming is not the how much I'm going to win. This is the idea is win together, work as a team. So well, So let's wait this candle. Let's wait this candle. If this candle ends more than the 0.5, we can try the 50.84. Okay. So well, waiting, waiting. I know many people want to open the sale. If you want to open the sale, do it. If you want to wait my position, we can do it too. Depends of you guys. So well, remember if you want to work with a nice prop firm, just go into the promformatch.com. There is a really good options if you want to apply for a challenge. Remember, this is a website. It's not a prop firm company. This website will share you the real information about many different prop firms, guys. So if you want to go there, just click into the link. The link is into the description and the link is into the chat, guys. So be clear of that. Just before apply any challenge, go into the promptformatch.com. The link you will see, really nice discount and really nice information who will that will help you with clarify what is the best option for you. Okay? So now at this moment I'm waiting. So let's wait together. Okay. If you want to open the cell, that was totally valid. There was a cell zone there into the position. Let's see what happened. Now it's time to wait. Entry is 5080. Yes, could be on 5082 or 5078. That's a good point too. It depends. Or if the price ends more than the 0.5, we will try the 5083, 5084. So let's see. I'm seeing accumulation there. Some accumulation. Okay. Okay. Waiting the little consolidation there. Okay, let's be ready. Remember, use the proper lot size with your account because we have a high volatility market, high volatility conditions. Going back. $50.88, $50.86. Finally, the price is going back. Well, testing the lower prices, 50.85. Probably we can go back to the original point, something like this. That's great. It's falling. Remember, I need to some accumulation there, some accumulation there. Okay, going back to the our original point. Let's see. Waiting, waiting. The price is falling now, but not too much. Testing the final price. Remember the original point, 50.80. 50.80 and the 50.74 it's now. Remember, I'm not taking the position. Why? Because the price is falling so hard at this point. So just waiting. Just waiting. 2, 3 candles, okay? This candle looks great. It looks like the minimum point in 50.74. Good. Good, good, good. We need a good reaction there. Okay. So nice reaction. So let's try the position. It's now. It's time to open the trade. Okay, 50.83. It's going up so hard. Let me see if we can find a 50.82 at least. So I'm in red. Nope. Difficult one. Okay, 50.85. That could be our point. The point, not into the best point. $50.84. That's 68, man. That's 68. Stop loss 50.78. Damn. So let's see what happened there. This is the but it looks difficult. Probably probably we will hit the stop. Let's see. Now it looks difficult. That point. Let me add some there. Let's see. Let's see. We need a really good green candle for clarify the position. If not, this position will be taken. Let's see, it is still there, but not the best point. Now looks difficult in 40, 50, 79, and the stop is there, guys. The stop is there. Not too much to do. try to open the trade there into the 1 hour, sorry, into the 1 minute. Into the 50.84, but then deep retracement with 2 3 candles probably. Of course, the 50.80 was the best point. Not too much to do. The price will taken. Ah well, the stop is there. By 65. Mm, 65. Okay, 02. So the price give us deep retracement for more than the 50 75 74 is 74. So not the best point, not the best reaction, of course. We have something in 50.80, not that much. But again, our we got these two difficult things with this with what, with the high volatility what we are seeing right now. Okay, because probably here, around to those points we will see another reaction and the price will continue and everything. So well, this is what we have. This is the options what we can take right now. Two stops, one in Tokyo. In Tokyo, basically was the same. One candle for 75 pips in 1 minute, and destroy our stop. And here, with a high volatility, I'm trying to use a little more, but then it will continue like this. Okay. So well, still the buy some continue there into the 82, 84. But of course, I don't want to take another position into the same point. No reason to take that position there. 50, 74, 54. So it's time to wait and let's clarify what happened with this beautiful candles. Not that beautiful, for score, of course, for the ones who touch the stop. So now we'll prepare the re-entry. Let's see what happened. 12 minutes. What? It was one candle, yes, one candle for um, deep retracement for, yes, 75 pips. That's the problem. What we are not the problem. The difficult reactions. What we are seeing for 1 minute, 60, 70, 80 pips. So well, let's see. Let's see because we have another possibility here. If the price break the zone, we can open a um, short position. That's a possibility too. So let's see. Probably I would wait 1 minute more. So what? The thing happens. The thing happens. Now it's doing what we are expecting to do. So well. No short. No short because we don't have sell soon. We don't have a sell soon. Just a little resistance here into this 5097. Yes, 5095. So well. Still, I propose correlling. I propose the long position, but the point of entry was difficult. It touched our stop. Now I'm just waiting for clarify if we can take, for example, another position different than 5084. So a beautiful reaction for buyers. Beautiful. But that's the thing, But when I open the trade, I don't have that information. I just take the point of entry, the possible point of entry. Um, and that's all. I was expecting that reaction. But well, the market conditions will hit our stops. That's a possibility. For the reason I explained, you need to use the proper lot size for your account. Even at this point, I need to reduce it. I don't think I can use the 90. I would use the 11. Uh, I was really sad to see this reaction there before our, because now probably it will hit the ATH and everything. Well, mm, beautiful reaction. So what happened here? We tried to open the trade near to the 5080, but when I shared the order, the price grew up. I wait retracement there, and the retrace was so deep. Probably if we open the trade near to 5080, we will survive. Yes, we will survive with no issues. But well, that thing happens. Not too much to do. Nothing to do. It happens. The same thing happens in Tokyo session. It's a difficult condition. So well, your stop loss was small. Yes, I use a smallest stop loss. I use a small stop loss. But this type of markets, by my side, I think 65 pips is too much. It's too much for any stop loss. Um, but that's it. That is the maximum stop what I use in the high volatility markets. In normal conditions, I'm trying to use 55, but that feels too much. Um, we used to use 35, 45 pips in that type of markets, but nowadays it's not enough. One candle is for 70, 80 pips in 1 minute. Well, you can liquidate our positions. So, well, Nasdaq too, yes. Nasdaq, it's giving us reactions, but I'm waiting Nasdaq the retracement for open a trade there. Hit the stop loss and then go on in our direction. That's the magic, That's the magic of trading. So so yes, you need to always when you're going to take a trade, you need to provide the best one. Um, all the things, all the information what you have, the pin bars and everything into the sun. Well, give us the nice price, but well, it's part of the 'and profit because of you. $100. That's great, my friend. That's made me happy. Some people take these positions as a day confirmations or their informations and everything. But well, I'm trying to do it. Mm, that thing happens. That thing happens. So now it's time to wait, guys. It's time to clarify the position. We can we can do a recover. $50.94. So well, was a beautiful sun, but the reaction we were expecting was not the best one. the man analyst, my friend. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. Sorry for the others. Beautiful, beautiful. So well, the ones who once you open the sell position. So well, guys, beautiful point. Again, our stop loss for this type of conditions, sometimes it's too little. It's too little. Um, but the problem with it wasn't the stop loss. The problem was the point of entry. When I shared the position, the price was near to the 5081 and probably there. We take the positions and everything. But well, this is the reactions. Yes, 65 pips is too much. That's too much. But this is the conditions what we have. We open the trading in 1 minute here. But there it touched our stop for this candle. This candle was for almost 79 pips. 79 pips. The idea was perfect. Yes, the idea was good. Um, so well, we have time. We can try it another one. So well, reaction again into the Celsius. Can we use 5 minutes candles for now? We can use it, but well, yes, okay. Timing was good. We can see the 200 plus reaction. Yo entré en 50-70, ya topé el TV3, perfecto, José, excelente, excelente, aguantó muy bien ahí el precio, muy bien, muy bien. We're here to make money, not to lose. Try silver reacting faster. No, I'm not going to trade silver. It's so expensive on my side. So, guys, remember if you want to use a prefirm same as me, just go into the perfectmatch.com. There you will see what is the best option, the best discounts for many different prop firms. That's really important for apply to your challenge. Challenge. Read the comments, read the reviews before to apply any challenge. Remember, prop firm is a website, and it helps us to clarify what is the best options and the best prop firms into the market. All of that prop firms still listed there, they're still paying with no issues. So make me a favor, click into the link and see the options there, guys. Okay, I will appreciate that. So just go there. Actually, it could be a very good trade. That was fine. Thanks. Yeah, it was a very good trade. But again, for one candle, we lose the opportunity for take the position. Well, the thing happens. The thing happens. So well, the bison was taken, and the resistance here. The resistance there was taken. Now probably some retracement. Sí. Bueno, ya ojo, mi amor. So, well, my breakfast is ready. So I'll be back here in 50 minutes for clarify the next entry. Well, if we can take the position or not. So, well, let's see. Let's see. Okay, I'm back in 50 minutes. Stay there. So well, guys, let me see here, because we can apply another loan position. Let's see. Let me check. Mhm. So well, 2 minutes. I will try the loan position again. Let's see. Just if the price ends near to the 45, 50, 78. Now it looks difficult because the other point, the possible point, is the 68. So let's see. No, I'm not into a trade. I'm just waiting. Okay. You shouldn't have been greedy. Or hit me up. Yeah, let's see. This is the last position for today. No hay cambio de nada, Nacho. Absolutamente nada. Un retroceso normal dentro del 50. Bueno, del 5100. Normal. Hizo un pequeño quiebre. No lo era totalmente. Era un fake break ahí. Entonces hizo lo normal, retroceder para agarrar eh, órdenes en compra. Veremos a ver qué pasa. Waiting, guys, waiting. Not into the position. The difficult thing now, again, it's the same as the last trades. Here, for example, one candle for 150 pips. So that is difficult. That is a difficult point. I'm waiting this 7 minutes. Six minutes. Okay, testing the 0.5. That's an important point for for sailors if they want to continue. But as you can see, the sellers just give us that spikes, and then the buyers recover the all the things here. Uh, Econocompras. Throwing 51.25, hijo. Bueno, depende de dónde tomar la entrada, ¿verdad? Yo quiero entrar, pero no va a morir. Ya lo intentamos, no se dio. Vamos a ver qué pasa con esta. Jesus Christ, let me see. The 70 could be a good point. We need the retracement, of course. So yeah, same thing. Well, some people using a long position, some people using a sell position. It depends. It depends of the. It depends. It depends. Mm. So a 1 hour candle ending now. Again. Um. So well, 50, 80. Still same. It looks like a point because the buyers, sorry, the sellers weren't able to pass this point. Fíjate lo Billy. La fe, el último que se pierde, sí, pero bueno, con el oro es complejo. That not questions my levels. The thing is, when the price touch my levels, that things happens. For example, here for Mister Myself, it touched my level for 50.67. Was one candle for 140 pips in 1 minute. So if I've shared this entry into the community, probably no one is going to take this position. For that reason, I always wait at least something like this, a consolidation, before try to provide the best point what I can find. Most of the time, it's going to work, and sometimes we are going to fail. But if you don't like it, you're more than welcome to just don't come here. It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. If you don't like to wait, this is not your place. If you don't like how I handle the stream, more than welcome to get out the stream. It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. Okay. So let's see. En general fue buena. Me pagaron hasta el final. Las dos cuentas que tenía al final de las perdí. Pero sí, en general fue bastante bien. Pero de ahí, si me preguntar entre Quantical o FXI5, prefiero FXI5 totalmente. Yeah, we're still waiting. Now this is the last two candles. I'm going to wait two candles more. If nothing happened, I'm going to no trades, no more trades. Just waiting. I think nowadays silver is better with than gold. Well, trade silver, my friend. Yeah, steeper correction. Yes, for the reason I will to skip because now, according the analysis, 40, 50, 83, it's a good point, but we already try a positioning 50, 84. So, well, let's see. Let's see what do we have. Mm, mhm, mm, 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 mm. 10 minutes for close this candle. The price continue with the uptrend. But if you want to, because I'm seeing many people wants to open a sell position. If you want to open the sell position, you can do it. You can do it. You can open the sell position into the resistance zone near to 51.04. Confirmation, yes, that was a confirmation here. But that was confirmed. That confirmation was a massive candle. Not too much to do, to be honest. Gold break with no issues. The 58.90. Okay, let me see. 15 minutes candle. Okay, great. I close with 80 profit. 50.96. Perfect. Beautiful, my friend. That's great. Good job. Very good job. Nothing is confusing. It's just waiting. The entry is not ready. The point is near to the 50.80. React to the spec. Yes, exactly. The resistance on there. Yes, too many people is waiting for it to recover. Even into the Telegram, because the Telegram it happens the same situation as today. We try to we try to open the position, then it hit and complete the full target, but first it touched our stop loss. Here was the same. We try to do something good. First it touched our stop, and then it goes to the uptrend. I will wait more than the usual for continue. So let's try to take the position. Try to take the position. Let's try to clarify the information. Market is just ranking. Yes, but the thing is with the ranking is the spikes. We have many spikes, and that's the difficult point. Clarify the positions and everything. It's annoying. Again, so we need to continue. The retracement, it's now. The retracement is now. We need to a good retracement, deep retracement. Starting the week with not the best results. For last Friday was beautiful. Full take profit for around 170 pips. Well, the last week we did 6 trades, I think. six trades and we just one stop loss. So we did five successful trades um, this week, starting with a stop in Tokyo and the last stop loss. So for the reason I want to touch another one here. So let's see what happened. Let's see what we have. We have time. So again, what happened here? For example, what happened here? Let me explain. It touched here the lowest prices and did in 2 minutes 100 pips. So what is this? The solution for this? Something what I was thinking. It's just use the it's reduce the lot size and increase the stop loss. That's a possible solution. But I know the 90% of the people who are using my entries is they're not going to reduce the lot size, and probably they will increase the lot size and hold the full stop loss, bigger stop loss. Um, I know it will happen. So with the with the high volatility market like this, it can make 100 pips in 2 minutes. I would try to stay around 60-65 pips. In a normal conditions, I will stay around 55-60 pips. For try to maintain the order, that type of things. Everyone can survive. So well, but yes, it's totally different. Now we're in the 5,000. I saw many economists, many experts last year talking about the 5,000 in gold. Everyone saying like, okay, yes, in May, July, we will see prices around to the 5,000. So I believe in that. One guy from uh, nice university, nice college, talking about the price will touch the 5,000 in May and July. I want expectations, and the expectations. What I'm seeing for this year was the same. Like we will see some retracement. Probably gold will retrace to the first gap in 46, and then we will see some accumulations there. But now, starting the last week of the month of January, starting the week with the 5,000, 5,100. I don't think no one in December, well, the November or in November or the first 2 weeks in of December, or well, December is telling all the people like hold the positions to 5,000. I don't believe no one said like this. So we're in 5,000. Um, Now it's a difficult point. It's a difficult point. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy. I want to buy from 5080. You can try it. No, not the mute. The short point in validation is in 99. Yes. Mm-hmm. If the price breaks to 99, probably we will see 500. Well, 51, 5110, 5120, something like this. Something like this. Now it's just try to be patient, try to say the retracement. Damn. So what retracement? That's great. So well, you want to pass again the 5088. 3050 capital. No more than 0.02. Erin Soto. More than 0.02. No, I just was quiet because I already explained. I'm just waiting. I already told you no more than 0.02. It's going back. It's going back. So let's see it's what happened with the next 5 minutes. It's there, yes, but that consolidation can give us a really good profit. But again, one candle in 1 minute. The last candle in 1 minute was for 72 pips. Euro for retracement. Okay, nice. 5 minutes. 5 minutes till the candle close, exactly. Another hard reaction. Stop there. We just stopped there. It's going to hurt. Yeah, it's going to hurt. Okay. So let's see with this dip retracement. 50. Let's pray for something good. Ah, no. Vamos baje, man. So, well, it touched the 0.5. Um, one candle for 50 pips. Set your music. Say your music in your computer. So, well, guys, that's all for today. Um, I'm going to trade more with these conditions. No sense. Why not? Because, well, remember, I'm working with two monitors here. Looks like a normal candles, but this is not a normal candles. It touched the suns and everything. For example, the last candle was for 60 pips. Um, well, that's not good for our intentions. No retracement. The retracement, what I was expecting, at least 50, 80. 58 again, but no, nothing. So, no reason to take any position. But man, yes, I'm mad because I know my first position was good. So for that reason, I'm a little angry. So well, that's all. That's all. That's all for today. Not too much to do. The market conditions, it's like yes, it touched the 0.5 and go. We will see these market conditions for around this week. For the rest of the week, for the rest of the February, we will see this type of conditions. So well, for the people into the Telegram, I will recover this trade in Tokyo session. For the rest of the people, for the rest of the people who wants to recover, just come tomorrow. I will try to do something good tomorrow in New York session. Thanks. I really appreciate the support and everything. If you want to work with me directly into the Telegram or into the Discord, just contact me by WhatsApp. It's $169. Funk is Wednesdays. Yes, Funk is Wednesday. Funk is Wednesday. So let's see, Funk. Probably Funk will give us another levels, another positions, and everything. So but yes. Um Funded Hive. Funded Hive. I'm not sure. It's the first time what I already listened that prop firm. We can find that prop firm here. Funded Hive. No, it's not listed here. So it's not listed here. I don't know. I'm not going to recommend to go there, my friend. So try to just go into the link and find the best options for you. So so yes, no sell zone at this point. You can try the sell zone into the 51. Can you please also do Asian Session live? No. If you want to be part of the community, you will receive the signals into the Telegram. So the Telegram is a lifetime subscription for $169. $169 is not for free. It's a $159. Okay. So yeah, stock session is exclusive for the people into the Telegram. I used to come here do the Tokyo session, but it's so tired from my side, so I prefer to just stay and relax and trade with the people into the Discord and into the Telegram. So, well, guys, take care. The price will continue like this. Unfortunately, today it was difficult positions. Two stop loss, one in Tokyo, one in New York session. Welcome to the 500, or no, 5,000. Welcome to the 5,000. It's not going to be easy. So, well, thanks to you guys. Thanks for your time. Thanks for being here. Thanks for everything. I'll be back tomorrow with expecting a good trade. Let's see.